Medical writing. Medical writing. Introduction. What is medical writing? Medical writing is an art, that is a technique of communication where the medical, scientific, and technical information or knowledge is summarized. It involves writing scientific documents of different types like regulatory and research related documents, promotional literature, publication articles, and content for healthcare websites, etc. Presented to suit the level of understanding of the target audience. They may be patients or general public or physicians or the regulators. Medical writing is the discipline of writing scientific documents by writers in the field of medicine, that is, the medical writers. Once more, writing scientific documents by writers in the medical field were called as medical writers. Medical writers may not be the original scientists who did the actual research, but work with the physicians or scientists involved in the generation of data and help present the information in an appropriate manner. Medical writing is a broad discipline, and medical writers are required by diverse establishments like the pharmaceutical companies, clinical research and development companies, medico marketing agencies, etc. Let's talk about what are these regulatory documents. Regulatory documents, it includes package inserts, that is prescribing information and patient information leaflets, clinical study reports, web synopses, subject narratives, regulatory submission documents, common, common technical document CTD modules such as non-clinical and clinical overviews and summaries, expert reports, safety and efficacy summaries, aggregate safety reports, that includes periodic safety update reports PSURs, bridging reports, periodic adverse drug experience reports, PADER, annual safety reports ASRs, etc. Medical journalism, newspaper and magazine articles. These are mostly for general public and lay people and need to be written in simple non-technical language. That means without using scientific terms or the medical terms mostly. In this, the medical journalism is mainly for general public and lay people. Medical education for physicians, textbooks, continued medical education programs, slide decks, slide decks, e-learning modules, and for patients, you do patient education material. Medical marketing of healthcare products, promotional literature targeted at healthcare professionals, product monographs, brochures, handouts, sales force training manuals, e-learning modules, internet content for physicians and patients, they are the consumers. Now let's talk about the preeminent qualities required for a medical writer. The following qualities are most expected from any good medical writer. That is, 1. Ability to understand the purpose and requirements of the allocated work. You should know what is the purpose of work, and for that what are the requirements. That means what are the prerequisites, what are the armamentarium you need to know, you need to have, you should know, or what are the ingredients for that work you should know. 2. Attention to detail and ability to write effectively. You should have the ability to write effectively means doing the work rightly. Ability 3. Ability to write at a level appropriate to the target audience. 4. Keen to do thorough research of the subject. 5. Ability to think and logically organize thoughts and ideas. 6. Scientific accuracy and attention to details. 7. Ability to work across teams, often remotely as well as independently. 8. Ability to do thorough research and accuracy. 9. Logical organization, clear thinking and writing. 10. Good communication and coordination with co-workers. 11. Perfect time management skills and ability to meet deadlines and commitments. Now let's talk about the growing importance of medical writing, or growing importance of medical writing. Medical writing is relatively new, but the demand for medical writing is increasing steadily in communication, healthcare, and pharmaceutical market. New knowledge and information is constantly being added to the field of medicine by the way of an ever increasing number of research studies, growing clinical experience, and new ideas and thoughts. Pharmaceutical companies and government agencies need effective medical writers to convey information in a direct and highly specialized manner. They offering number of job opportunities for medical writers. Thank you.